So, different video today. I'm at an event, Qigong workshop, I guess, retreat kind of thing. 3 days, day 1 today. And I experienced something that reminds me of a topic that I always want to talk about. We were about to do some breath work on the ground. I'm doing some crazy stretches. There's a guy next to me. I notice he's looking at me, and I look and I smile to say hi. And he was like, "That's a good stretch." And then we start talking. Awesome conversation, amazing guy. And then he's like, I noticed a woman right next to him. I thought he was his friend. And he was like, "Yeah, this is my ex-wife. We came here," and I was like, "Wow, I like that. I like that." I thought because the way they interacted with each other felt like he was his best friend. And they started talking, and he said, "Yeah, we came here first time when we were married about 8 years ago, and now they're coming together, even though they're not together anymore. They're coming to this event, having a beautiful experience together." The guy was telling me about he took both of their kids to a concert. That's where he got his cool t-shirt. And it reminds me, like, we have to let go of the bullshit of, like, things that we think we shouldn't do, things that I see so much of people saying, like, "Oh, no, that wouldn't be right if I," maybe like this guy, "if I go to an event with my ex-wife," like, maybe either one of them is dating someone else, and we had a long conversation, so it's tough to bring it all into the video, but they're doing what they know is best for them individually. And I hear so many people tell me, like, "I want to do this, but I don't know if I should, I don't know if I can, I don't know." And we worry about how people are going to look at us, and we have so many filters that dictate our decision. We have so many fucking filters before we even make a decision. Sometimes we think we're making a decision from the heart, but it goes through this filter first, and all the ideas and all the ways that we think we should act, the ways that we think we should behave, the things that we think we should say before we even make the decision. And it's hard to know where it's coming from, and it's hard to be like, "Oh yeah, this is coming completely from my heart." I don't have the answer. I don't have a technique. I don't have a process. I don't have anything to give to you. I don't have anything to sell to you. But I just invite you to realize, okay, am I making this decision because I think that I should? Oh, this could go so many ways. I don't even know where I want to take it. I just got an impulse to get out of the room and come out here and start talking. I'll be back. I'll be back with more of this. Probably make more videos about this experience, but I invite you. To check in with yourself and pick anything, whatever comes up first, because it'll be the right thing for you. And think, what do I want? What do I really want? If you were the only person on planet Earth, so there would be no other opinion from anyone, no judgment, no criticism, no nothing, no weird like expressions or eye rolling or weird expressions that people give to you when you tell them your idea, your dream, your goal, your vision. If you were the only person and you didn't have to justify it to anyone, to explain it to anyone, what the fuck do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want? There's no need to justify it. There's no fucking need to explain it. What do you want? Most of us don't even know. But start there. What do I want? And I invite you and me to be courageous enough to start taking the first step. I'll be back with more ideas.